Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss about matrix. The system of numbers arranged in rectangular array in rows and columns and bounded by brackets is called matrix. Consider the simultaneous linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1z equals d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equals d2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z equals d3. In these equations, if the coefficient of x, y and z are arranged in the order, we get 3 by 3 square matrix. In matrix form, these equations can be written as a 3 by 3 square matrix having term in first row a1 b1 c1, in second row a2 b2 c2, in third row a3 b3 c3 multiplied by a column matrix with term xyz equals a column matrix having terms d1 d2 d3. Now let's discuss about various types of matrix. First type is row matrix. A row matrix which has only one row and any number of columns is called row matrix. Example, in a row matrix having 3 columns 2, 5, 8. Column matrix. A matrix having one column and any number of rows is called column matrix. Example, a column matrix with 3 rows, first term 2, second term 7, third term 8. Null matrix or zero matrix. A matrix in which all the elements are 0 is called null or zero matrix. Square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows equals number of columns is called a square matrix. For example, in this matrix the number of rows are 3 and number of columns are 3. So this is a 3 by 3 square matrix. Diagonal matrix. If non-diagonal element of a square matrix is 0, it is called diagonal matrix. So this is a diagonal matrix. Its non-zero terms are along the diagonal and all non-diagonal terms are 0. So this is called a diagonal matrix. Now let's understand how to get transpose of a matrix. If in a given matrix A, we interchange the rows and corresponding columns, the new matrix obtained is called the transpose of a matrix, and it is denoted by A with the superscript T or A prime. So a matrix A is a square matrix having terms 1 3 4 1 4 3 and 2 3 2. So the transpose of this matrix will be 1 1 2 3 4 3 and 4 3 2. We see that the rows becomes columns. So the first row is 1 3 4, it will become 1 3 4 first column, second row will become second column, and third row will become third column. Orthogonal matrix. A square matrix A is called orthogonal matrix if the product of the matrix A and its transpose A prime is an identity matrix. That is, the product of the original matrix A and the transpose matrix A prime equals identity matrix. Identity matrix is the matrix which is a diagonal matrix having the diagonal terms 1 1 1. Symmetric matrix. A square matrix will be called symmetric matrix if for all values of I and j the elements aij equals aji, that is, the transpose of the matrix equals itself. So here is the matrix A and its transpose will be equal to the matrix, so this is a symmetric matrix, and we can see that it is symmetric with respect to the diagonal element. Here this is the H and its mirror image is H. Here this is the element is G and its mirror image is G. The element F has its mirror image F. Skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix is called skew symmetric matrix if the transpose of matrix equals negative of the matrix. This matrix shown in this figure is 0 minus H minus G, H 0 minus F, G F 0. This is a skew symmetric matrix because if we find the transpose of this matrix, we will get negative of the this original matrix. Conjugate of a matrix. A matrix having terms real and imaginary can be written in the same way as we write for real number, and its conjugate is the matrix known as conjugate matrix. The terms of the conjugate matrix is the conjugate of the original matrix terms. So the conjugate matrix A bar equals A having terms conjugate of the terms of the matrix A. So here the term is 1 plus I, and conjugate matrix have term 1 minus I, 2 minus 3I, 2 plus 3y, 4, 4, 7 plus 2I, 7 minus 3I, minus I, 3 minus 2I, 3 plus 2I.